Many times we find ourselves at a crossroads in life, wondering which path to take. Not having formal qualifications can seem daunting, but there are plenty of job opportunities that value skills and attitude over degrees. Today we'll explore some of these roles and talk about how much you can expect to earn. These figures are based on averages in the UK, so they might vary depending on your location and experience. Follow up, we have the retail assistant. Now, some might underestimate the value of this role, but it's the front line of customer interaction, the friendly face that greets you when you walk through the door. Working in a store means more than just stocking shelves. It's about understanding customer needs, helping them find what they're looking for, and ensuring a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience. It's about mastering the art of communication, patience, and problem solving. And the best part is many major retailers like Tesco, Asda, Sainsbury's and Lidl offer these positions. They provide on-the-job training, giving you the skills and confidence to succeed. With an average pay of £9 to £11 per hour, it's an opportunity to earn while you learn. Next, we venture into the bustling world of logistics, a world that keeps products moving from production to your doorstep. Here we find the warehouse operative, the unsung hero of the supply chain. This role is about precision and efficiency. It involves sorting and packing products, ensuring they are carefully organized and ready for shipment. You'll be moving and lifting, keeping the lifeblood of commerce flowing. Attention to detail is key, as is the ability to work as part of a team. You can expect to earn between £9 to £12 per hour. In the sprawling landscape of online commerce, Amazon stands as a giant, a tireless machine, moving millions of products every day. And at the heart of this machine are the workers. Working in an Amazon warehouse is a study in efficiency and speed. You'll be surrounded by a constant hum of activity, a symphony of conveyor belts and scanners, all orchestrated to deliver packages to doorsteps across the world. Your days will be filled with the rhythm of picking and packing, of stowing and sorting. It's a demanding environment, requiring focus and stamina. But for those who thrive on keeping pace with a fast-moving world, it can be an opportunity. Amazon warehouse workers typically earn between £10 to £13 per hour, with potential bonuses for night shifts. In a world increasingly driven by technology, the human touch remains essential. And it's the customer service representatives who provide that vital connection. As a customer service representative, you'll assist customers over the phone or online, solving problems and answering questions. It's a role that requires empathy and resilience, the ability to listen intently and respond effectively. Earnings usually range from £18,000 to £24,000 per year. In the grand tapestry of life, some roles may seem small, almost invisible, yet their impact is profound. These are the unsung heroes, the silent guardians of order and hygiene. They are the cleaners. Cleaning jobs are always in demand. You can work in offices, schools or homes, keeping spaces tidy and hygienic. Cleaners typically make between £9 to £11 per hour. In our modern world, where goods flow like rivers through concrete veins, the delivery driver is an unsung hero. Delivery drivers transport goods for companies or restaurants. This job offers flexibility and independence. You can work for so many companies out there such as Royal Mail, Everil, Amazon and much more. Delivery drivers often earn between £10 to £13 per hour, including tips. In the bustling heart of the city, where lives intersect and stories unfold, the Uber driver plays a unique role. He's a silent observer, a confidant to strangers, a guide through the urban labyrinth. Driving for Uber offers flexible working hours. As an Uber driver, you'll pick up and drop off passengers, helping them reach their destinations safely. Uber drivers can earn between £15 to £20 per hour after expenses, depending on the area and demand. Lorry driver. As a lorry driver, you become a modern-day nomad, carrying goods from coast to coast, ensuring the steady pulse of commerce keeps beating. Each trip is a new chapter in your story, filled with diverse landscapes and countless miles. As a lorry driver, you'll transport goods across the country, ensuring timely and safe deliveries. This role requires a specific license, but is accessible to those without formal qualifications. Lorry drivers typically earn between £25,000 to £35,000 per year, depending on experience and routes. In the quiet hours, when most have retreated to the comfort of their homes, the security guard takes their post. Security guards help protect properties and people. This role often involves monitoring CCTV and managing entry points. Security guards usually make between £18,000 to £25,000 per year. Construction labourers assist in building projects requiring physical strength and teamwork. You can expect to earn around £10 to £13 per hour. Now, let's step into the world of a bit of joy, the world of the events. Event staff work at concerts, festivals and conferences, helping with setup, guest assistance and more. Event staff often earn between £9 to £12 per hour. It's a job that demands passion, precision and a genuine love for the bean. You won't get bored. Next on our list is a job that allows you to enjoy the great outdoors. Working in gardening services. If you have a love for nature and don't mind getting your hands dirty, this might be the perfect job for you. Let's dive into what it entails and how you can get started. As a gardener, your main responsibility is to maintain and enhance the beauty of gardens and outdoor spaces. This can include a variety of tasks, such as mowing lawns, planting flowers, trimming hedges, and even designing landscapes. You don't need formal qualifications to start in gardening services, but having some basic knowledge and skills can be helpful. Now let's talk about earnings. Gardeners usually earn between £9 to £12 per hour, but there are opportunities to earn more. Many gardeners choose to work for themselves, which allows them to set their own rates. Starting your own gardening business could mean charging between £15 to £30 per hour or more, depending on your expertise and location. Next, let's talk about another entrepreneurial opportunity that's perfect for those who enjoy outdoor work and don't mind getting a little dirty. Washing driveways. With the right tools and a bit of elbow grease, you can turn this simple service into a profitable business. Why choose driveway washing? You don't need a lot of money to get started. Just a good pressure washer and some cleaning supplies. You can choose your working hours and take on as many jobs as you like, making it a great side hustle or full-time job. There is consistent demand for driveway cleaning, especially in areas with harsh weather or heavy pollen. Most driveway cleaning services charge between £1.50 and £3 per square metre. Pricing may vary based on the level of dirt and staining, as well as local competition. For a typical single driveway, this might translate to £50 to £150 per job, depending on the size and condition. Washing driveways is a fantastic opportunity for those who want to start a business with low entry barriers and potential for growth. By pricing competitively and focusing on quality and customer satisfaction, you can build a successful business that meets the needs of your local community. There's a certain satisfaction that comes from taking something worn and giving it a renewed sense of purpose. For car wash attendants, that something is the automobile. It's a hands-on job demanding a keen eye for detail and a dedication to leaving every surface spotless. Car wash attendants typically earn between £9 to £11 per hour, with opportunities to earn tips. But the best part is that you can create your own car wash business. Starting your own mobile car wash service allows you to work independently and set your own rates. With a small investment in cleaning supplies and some marketing, you can build a client base and increase your earnings. As a business owner, you could earn between £20 to £50 per car, depending on the services offered and location. And so, last on our list, but certainly not least, is a delicious opportunity for those who love to cook or bake. If you've got a knack for creating tasty dishes or beautiful cakes, you can turn your passion into profit by selling ready meals or baked goods locally. Let's explore what this involves and how you can get started. With the growing demand for convenient home-cooked meals and unique baked goods, there's never been a better time to enter the food business. Whether you're cooking meals for busy families or baking treats for special occasions, there are plenty of ways to succeed. Why choose cooking or baking? Number 1. Express your creativity. Cooking and baking allow you to express your creativity by experimenting with flavors and designs. Number 2. Flexible schedule. You can set your own hours, making it a great option if you need flexibility. Number 3. Culinary passion. If you love spending time in the kitchen, this can be a fulfilling way to turn your hobby into income. Number 4. Community connection. Selling locally allows you to connect with your community and build a loyal customer base. Here's how you can start your culinary journey. Start by identifying your niche. Decide what kind of food you want to focus on. This could be healthy, ready meals, decadent cakes, or dietary-specific options like vegan or gluten-free dishes. Secondly, develop your recipes. Perfect your recipes to ensure consistent quality and taste. Consider feedback from family and friends to refine your offerings. Thirdly, legal requirements. Check local regulations and obtain necessary permits or licenses to sell food, especially if you're cooking from home. The last, set up your kitchen. Ensure your kitchen meets health and safety standards. Investing in quality equipment can help streamline your production. You can earn anywhere from £20 to £100 per day or more, depending on sales volume and pricing. Offering catering or large orders for events can significantly increase your income. Turning your passion for cooking or baking into a business can be incredibly rewarding. With dedication and a love for food, you can create a thriving enterprise that not only satisfies your creative side, but also your financial goals. There you have it, folks. 15 jobs you can start without any qualifications, plus some ideas for starting your own business. Remember, the key is to get your foot in the door and grow from there. Which job are you most interested in? Let us know in the comments below.